So with this basic knowledge in mind, we can take the next steps. Every note in our scale has its own chords. As we did earlier, the first 2 chords, now we are going to identify all of them. As we did earlier, we have the first root note, 3rd note, and 5th note, and we'll do the same thing to all of the chords. So let's do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's hear it now. This looks really symmetrical, but you could hear that there are differences between all of these notes. For example, this first chord was major triad, major chord. The second one was minor, because it has 2 half steps, 2 semitones between the first 2 notes. The interval was minor 3rd. Same as the 3rd chord. Then we have 2 major chords. The one before the last is one of the chords that isn't a major or minor because it consists of 2 minor thirds. This chord is called diminished because it has 2 minor thirds. As you can hear, it doesn't sound or minor or major. And the last chord was the same as the first chord, which is C major chord. So now let's find the names of all of these chords. So the first chord was C major chord, C root, major quality, and the second chord was D minor chord. Major chords are written with MAJ signature, and minor chords are written with M signature. Next up we have E minor chord, which was root note, minor 3rd, and major 3rd, that gives us minor chord. Then we had F major chord, which was major 3rd and minor 3rd, and so on till the B diminished chord. As we said earlier, it has 2 minor thirds. As you can see, all the notes here lay within C major scale. That means it has only diatonic notes, which means it's in key.